Hello there. Well, this is it. This is right where we were eating last night, remember? At this very table. Anyway, it's early in the day and I'm excited to unbox this CalmDo multifunctional electric skillet and grill. And if you never heard that name, CalmDo, I didn't either, so I looked it up online and it's pretty popular. There's a lot of people using them. So it's a great new brand name we're gonna have in our kitchen. And I'm so hungry just thinking about it. I have sausage, I have so many things I want to do. First, let me show it to you, okay? I know you want to see it like I want to see it. Wasn't that a good supper last night? What was it again? Oh, tacos. Burrito, cheesesteak burrito, remember? That was so good. Well, what's on the back? I think it's on the back. 1300 to 1500 watts. Deep pot capacity. 3.5 quarts. 3.4 liters. Anyway, let's look at it. So far, so good. What should we take out first? This or this? This! Oh. CalmDo. If you're calm, you can do it. Pretty simple, right? So far. Should we open this and then open that second box for a surprise? I think so. You like it? Styrofoam. Whoa. Has kind of a retro look to it right away, doesn't it? In my eye. Let's take it out. Oh, okay. Look. Wow, that's a great size. Indoor grill, see? I'm glad it's not a giant thing because we don't have that much room. And this is going to be perfect for 1 or 2 or 4 people probably. Oh, nice glass lid. Looks like you have to put the knob in there. We'll look for that. That must be the heating element. Let's see. Off. Oh, look, it's a lot of in-between settings. See? Warm. Low. I like that how it has a click in between each one. And high. Like you can choose your settings when you get to know what it does. Then you put this on top if you want. Nice grill. Perfect size. Assembly instructions, pretty easy. Thermostat knob, controls. Before first use, remove any stickers, wash the cooking surfaces. Okay, let's see. Thank you. You're welcome. Anything else in here? All right, look. Another surprise in here. Hopefully that's the knob for the lid. And must be something else because, hey! How do you do this? Every day is like my birthday. I shouldn't say that. I don't want to get that old. Power cord and the knob. Phillips screw. Let's put that on right away, okay? Of course, you know, when you look for a Phillips screwdriver, you can't find one. You have a drawer full of regular, and you want regular, you have a drawer full of Phillips. Well, this is regular and it fits the screw. So it's ambidextrous. Nice knob. Kind of matches the knob on the front, doesn't it? Sure does. Let's put the screw through the hole. Screw the knob on. Tighten up. Tighten up, everybody. Tighten up. Now you don't want to go crazy and break it. Just a good snug, see? Vent hole. I like how big it is, huh? I can keep that on nightstand in the bedroom. What do you think? Put a timer on it and have it come on with bacon? Don't listen to me. Cord. We're gonna plug it in. Oh, there's another box in there yet, right? What do you think's in that? Plug it in. Plug it in, plug it in. Plug it in, plug it in. It's alive! I see a light there. You can't see it because of our bright studio lights. It's orange. All right, better turn it off. I just wanted to see if it was alive. I like that control. It's like infinity, you know? Like 100 different settings there, probably. That's what I think. CalmDo. Model CDEC002. What do you think it is? Another one? I think I know what it is. This is what makes it a multifunctional. How's that? Is that nice? If you're not going to grill, it's not hot. With this plate, you can put this on this heating element. And this is where you can fry, deep fry, boil, cook, slow cook on low with your lid. I'm probably not even mentioning all the things it does. But that's pretty neat, huh? For the price. And it does all those things. I'm gonna put my glasses on, I'm sorry. Try not to look at me. I don't wear them too often, that's why I always lose them. But don't look at me! So warm is between 70 and 90 degrees. Low is between 170 and 190. High between, oh, I'm reading Celsius, I'm sorry. 230 and 250 Celsius. That was Celsius. Fahrenheit, warm is 158 to 194. 338 to 374 for low Fahrenheit, and high is 446 to 482. Oh yeah. Hamburger, steaks, hot dogs, chicken, and other meats. Warm is for keeping it warm. Low is for preheating foods, crepes, delicate food like fish, or slow cooking, I would say. So it does so much stuff. Let me show you how big it is.
Pull it back towards yourself.
Inside of the pot is 11 and a half by 7 3/4, and this is 8 by 11 3/4. Non-stick surface, vented lid, tempered glass. Like I said, boil, fry, grill, bake, cook, keep warm, slow cooker, so many things. I'm hungry right now. I know I have sausage in there. I feel like washing this up, putting sausage on there, and then maybe putting spaghetti in the bottom. How's that? Cook the sausage, boil the spaghetti, drain the water out, add sauce in my sausage, and let that smell in the kitchen all day. Or in the whole house. All right, I had to show you this quick. It's early in the day. Stop back and see what we do with it, all right? Have a nice day. See you soon. CalmDo. I like it. Oh, I'll put a link down there too, okay? Check it out. Oh, still there? Please subscribe. I'm watching cartoons. Bye.